Hello guys, hope you are all doing good. So in this video we are discussing about the Perfex CRM module. So we will provide you the all Perfex CRM module, 100 plus module with the SaaS version of the Perfex CRM and the mobile application code as well. So if you need the Perfex CRM and all the module of the Perfex CRM, we will provide you. So let's start. So we will just go to the Perfex CRM modules. So here we have all the module of the Perfex CRM. It's the 100 plus modules with the SaaS version of the Perfex CRM as well. So you will just take the look of the modules. So if you need the demonstration of those modules, so demo are also provide and the list of the module also provide. So you will contact to our WhatsApp number, our email and our Telegram number as well. So our WhatsApp number and the email are written in the description below. So my name is Fahd Mazhar and I will show you the module of the Perfex CRM. So we will provide you all those module with SaaS version in $100 only. So so just contact to our WhatsApp number and our team will contact you. Our team are also provide you the demo as well and the modules list as well. So here is the 100 module we will provide you and the SaaS version of the Perfex CRM. So if you need any customization services of the Perfex CRM, you will contact with me and we will also provide you the customization services of the Perfex CRM. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.